What if the world around you could change without actually changing? Imagine seeing direction floating in front of you or interacting with digital objects in real life. This is not science fiction anymore. This is augmented reality.
Hi, I'm Kimmo Chafilo, and in this video, we're going to explore what augmented reality is, how it works, and why it is becoming one of today's most exciting emerging technologies.
Augmented reality or AR is a type of technology that enhances the real world by adding digital elements on top of what we see. Instead of replacing reality, it simply improves it by overlaying images, text, sounds, or even 3D objects into our environment in real time. In simple terms, AR combines physical world with digital content. So instead of looking at a separate screen or entering a completely virtual space, the digital experience becomes part of your surroundings. This is what makes AR unique compared to other technologies. For example, when you use camera filters on your phone that add effects to your face, that is a basic form of augmented reality. Another example is when games place virtual characters into real-world locations using your camera. These are simple applications, but they already show how AR blends reality with digital interaction. To experience augmented reality, we use devices such as smartphones, tablets, and specialized AR glasses. Among these, smartphones are the most common because they already have built-in cameras and sensors that allow AR applications to function. This is why many people have already experienced AR without even realizing it. More advanced AR devices include smart glasses and head-mounted displays. These devices are designed to project digital information directly into the user's field of vision, making the experience more immersive and hands-free. Instead of holding a phone, users can see digital elements naturally integrated into their environment. Now, how does augmented reality actually work? AR rely on several key components. First, the camera captures the real-world environment. Then, sensors such as accelerometers and gyroscopes detect movement and orientation. After that, software processes the data using computer vision, which allows the system to recognize surfaces, objects, and spatial depth. Finally, the device displays digital elements on top of the real-world view. All of this happens in real time, which is why AR feels interactive and responsive. When you move your device, the digital objects move with you, maintaining their position as if truly exist in the real world. Because of this capability, augmented reality is being used in many different fields. In gaming, AR creates more interactive and engaging experiences by bringing virtual elements into the real-world environment. Instead of playing inside the screen, players become part of the game itself. In education, AR helps students understand complex topics by visualizing concepts in 3 dimensions. For example, instead of just reading about structure, students can explore it as a 3D model right in front of them. In shopping and retail, AR allows customers to try products virtually, such as fitting clothes or placing furniture in their homes before making a purchase. This improves the overall shopping experience and helps in decision making. Despite these advantages, augmented reality is still considered an emerging technology. This means that it's still developing and improving over time. While it is already being used today, its full potential has not yet been fully realized. These are still some challenges that need to be addressed. One of these is the cost of advanced AR devices, which can be expensive and not yet accessible to everyone. Another challenge is battery life, as AR application requires a lot of processing power There are also concerns about privacy, especially when devices constantly use cameras to scan the environment. However, with the continuous advancement in technology, these limitations are gradually being improved. As devices become more powerful and more affordable, AR is expected to become more common in everyday life. Looking ahead, augmented reality has the potential to change how we interact with the world. It could transform the way we learn, work, communicate, and even entertain ourselves. Information may no longer be limited to screens. It could exist all around us, accessible anytime and anywhere. In conclusion, augmented reality is a powerful technology that enhances our perception of reality by integrating digital elements to the real world. While it is still evolving, its impact is already visible across different industries. And as technology continues to progress, the line between what is real and what is digital may become harder to distinguish.
Because in the future, reality might not just what we see, but what we choose to see. Bye, and thank you for watching.